Yeah, hi. So how to defining for the cost of the item in inventory level? This is very important. Most of the people are asking for this cost of the item, how we can defining this cost and everything. Okay, let's create one item, sample item. Let's go to the product management. So the product management, go to the product management. So from here, I'm just setting one item and providing the item cost. How that can be reflected into the transaction level, all this we can see it. It's a simple video. So let's create one item. So I'm created one item under master org level, initial goods. Then so I'm created one Samsung mobile. Samsung mobile. Right. This is my item. Here I'm going to provide it the specification level. We don't have any specific attributes needs to be populated for the costing related. See, all the costing enabled things will come as for the template. So in the purchase, I'm just providing for the purchasing price is 100. Okay, this is for useful for the P2P related requisitions or purchasing related. Then I'm going to associated this item to inventory organizations. Okay. That's so item is created. Let's say on close. So up to now we are provided only purchase price, right? Then we need to providing for the item cost for the costing level. Let's go to the costing. So for the costing related, go to the supply chain execution. From the supply chain executions, we have a cost accounting here. So in this cost accounting, first we need to create one cost scenario, manage cost scenario. So click on here and create one cost scenario. So my cost scenario is, for example, Samsung. I'm just giving one random name over here. On which organization level? Cost organization is Seattle, right? So US operations. So cost book is 001, this one. And effective start date is provided for from last date. On regular items, it is not a configured items. If only for the selected items, we can provide it for the selected items. Let's provide the selected items. So I'm giving over here for the item is Samsung. Samsung, right? So I'm giving specific item over here in the cost roll-up basis. Okay, this is for regular items. And so this work definition will be the manufacturing related at 7 plus. 7 plus. The scenario cost scenario is this. Then go to the manage standard cost. Now we need to define the item cost from here, manage standard cost. Now select what is the cost scenario of this Samsung, right? Let's select this. So once we selected the cost scenario, the cost organization and cost book will come automatically. Then here you need to provide item. Samsung. Yeah. Yes. So what is the valuation structures? Will comes automatically as for the costing relationship, or else you need to provide. Okay. Then here in the standard cost details, here we need to provide our cost of the item. What is the cost element? This is for material, right? Material related. The cost elements will be there. Different cost elements will be there. We need to select. Okay. For this material, I'm giving for $99. Okay. If you want to add for the labor related, all these things, you can add a labor related cost also. Labor or making charges. Labor, right? Or making charges. Any making charges will be there. Nothing will be this. Okay. So up to now, I'm just giving to material cost only. So it will change 100. Okay, the material cost is 99. That's all. Okay, then save and push. Now this item cost is in process. Status is in process. The item cost here, we can see the details. Right. Now we need to do updating this. We need to update this. Right. Where we need to update this? Go to here. What is the cost scenario? Or here itself, we have an option to update. What is the cost scenario? Search what is the cost scenario. Samsung, right? See, Samsung. Go to the actions. From here, update standard cost. Submit. It's a schedule process program. Once it is completed, the cost is updated successfully. The status will be changed. In process. So completed successfully. This is the way how we can defining our cost of the item. If you want to see for this cost, go to here. Review item cost. Review item cost. From here, you can see what is your item cost. So what is so this is not required. Let's give the cost book is 001 and item is Samsung. Right. I think item not be setted. Let's cost of US operations. So whatever the items will be there, all these items are comes. And where is our item? So all the items are there. Let me search different scenarios. Okay. This is our item cost. If you want to see this item cost, review unit cost, just click on this. See, this is the unit cost. Once the transaction is completed by using this item, then we can see review transaction cost. Up to now, we don't have any transactions. We cannot track this, right? We cannot track this. That is how we can define the item cost. Thank you. Please subscribe for Oracle Tech SCM for more videos and more updates.